Now let's connect a custom domain for our website. You can do that by going to the top right and hovering over Connect Domain. If you signed up for a 12-month plan or longer, you should have the option to claim a free domain here. Click on Get Domain. And you want to type in your domain name here. I'd recommend going for something that ends in .com. For example, here I'll go for oakembercoffee.com. And as you can see, that is available and free for 1 year. So I'll click on this, then go to the bottom right and click on Next. Go ahead and fill out your personal information here and click on Next Step. And then you'll fill out your contact details here. Go to the bottom and click on Finish Registration. This will register your domain and connect it to your website automatically for you. So just give it a moment to load. And the domain has now been added to our website. Click on Continue. And now in the top right, you'll see it says oakembercoffee.com. So now everything is connected and ready to go. Make sure you keep an eye on your email inbox. There should be an email coming through soon that will verify your registration of your domain. That can take anywhere from a few minutes to a few hours to show up. But once it does, just follow the steps in that email and you'll be able to verify your domain to make sure that everything continues to run. And now our website is ready to go live. To publish your website, go to the top right and click on Go Live. It's going to publish all of the changes that we've made. This can take a few moments to complete. And there we go. Our website is now online and we're able to click on View Site to visit it on a desktop device, or we can view it on mobile as well.